Yo, what's happening, guys? Coming at you from downforsoundshop.com. In this video, we're going to be going over how do you find, or what types of music do you play for your demos for your ride. But first,
these are seriously some of the best headphones I've heard in a long time. The noise cancellation on them is some of the best I've ever experienced. Like, I feel all by myself, isolated. I can hear everything I need to within the mix, and it really makes a big difference.
all right, so we get this question a lot, like, where do you get your music from? How do you select what music you play, and all these things? For the longest time, like, we usually play remixed or rebased or bass added, all these different types of songs, because a lot of times some regular songs like rap songs and chopped and screwed and stuff like that will do pretty good from the original person that made it, but a lot of times we need to change it so it plays our frequency that we're looking for. And these guys, I'm scared to say people's names, because, as you know, if you go and you try to sell rebased music or whatever, it's not really legal. So, and a guy that I used for a long time that I'm not sure if he got in trouble, but I don't see him around anymore, or he quit doing it. It was called Decaf Music, and he would go in and get these popular songs at the time, and he would add different bass lines in them, and like everybody loved it for the longest time. So I always said that for a very long time was Decaf Music, because that's who I always used. He would always come out with new songs, and we would download the songs and put them in our rides and play them, because they would have say you have a system that plays 32 to 35 hertz awesomely, then there would be a folder in there that has those frequencies in there that would be perfect for your ride. So that's why you would wear out those songs, and that's why you heard the same exact songs, me demoing them over and over and over for like 10 years, because those songs just played the best in my truck. People will get in there and try to request something else, and I'm like, I mean, I'll play it, but it's not going to sound like, it's not going to showcase my system the way that you probably think that it is, because they'll think that it plays great in their vehicle, so it should play great in my vehicle, but that's not always the case. So that's why you always heard me playing the same exact song, or songs of like 5 or 8 same songs over like all those years, because they just worked, and I knew somebody could get in there, I could play that, it would give them the best experience, and on to the next person. And when your demo line is hundreds of people long, like, you need to keep that thing going, because you're never going to be able to demo for everybody. But anyway, if you search on social media or Facebook or whatever, you can find these guys that are currently doing, and somebody, if you can comment it, if you know of people that are rebasing music, you can comment it in the comment section below, but I'm not going to say it, because I don't want people to see this and like them get thrown under the bus or get in trouble or whatever. But there are people out there that are still doing this, and I actually have some of it on my iPad in my Tahoe, and that's what I've been playing the last couple of shows that I've been attending. So, but as far as genres of music, most of the time it's going to be rap, hip hop, chopped and screwed. And but these people that I'm telling you, they'll remix like gospel music or country music. They'll put these bass lines in there so you can, and even sometimes it's like Teletubbies or Barney or some crazy songs that you're like, what, this is a kid's song, and then this heavy bass drop comes in. So they can pretty much make any song that you can think of have crazy bass in there, and most of the time it sounds great doing it. You do have some people, I want to add this really quick before I conclude this video, but you do have some people that go and try to attempt doing these things, and they don't really know what they're doing, and they'll add like a bass line and something, but it'll be really dirty, and it'll be so bass boosted that it's nothing but clipped and distorted music that you're going to be playing. So you have to watch out for that as well. You want to make sure the source that you're getting this rebased or re-edited music is a good source that a lot of people use that have already vetted, so you're not going to be playing, because obviously if you're playing crappy music through your system, you're going to end up shortening the life of your system, because it's playing garbage pretty much. It's like you eating garbage. You eat garbage long enough, you're going to die. So anyway, that's going to be it for this video. That's what I listen to, and that's where vaguely got my music from. That's what I look for. But obviously most of the music that I listen to is mostly rap music, a couple of country songs. So it is possible with rebase music to have windshield shattering bass with a country song, which most people wouldn't think that. But anyway, let me know what music that you listen to, and if you know some good people that are doing this, and maybe if you know the person that did mine, you can comment it below and let these people in on it. And like I said, most of them have Facebook pages or social media pages, so you can go check out their stuff and grab some rebase music for your ride. So anyway, I'm going to conclude this video. Appreciate you joining me in another Down for Sound video. Don't forget about the Down for Sound difference. Guaranteed lowest prices, fastest shipping, best customer service. And we have a ton of different financing options under the financing tab on our website. And keep your eyes peeled for giveaways that we do all the time on our Facebook page. If you have any ideas, really quick, if you have any ideas on how we should do giveaways here on YouTube, I'm open to that. So we need to start doing that too, because you guys are awesome as well. So let me know if you have any ideas. But until next time, we'll see you later. What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Lifer Price, and also Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram. And don't forget Snapchat. I'm JPD4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.